really good to see so many people here. I mean, this is the first time post-COVID the network's being able to meet in person, but has been going for 10 years. It's a really important topic, you know, getting it right in those early years. And I think in Wales, you know, the future generations and other policy and frameworks in Wales have given us that strong emphasis on needing to get it right from the very beginning around children and young people.
My main messages are about adolescence and how that's such an important time in young people's life. I'm particularly interested in what shapes well-being and other health behaviours and what kind of things we can promote in adolescence, but also the challenges that we face in communities. With some people being able to access the things that they'd like to do or they'd like to try in their leisure time. So yeah, my main messages are about inequalities around adolescence and how that shapes health and well-being.
The main messages from today's conference are about working together, working collaboratively, using the NEST model and other frameworks to help influence that. The focus is really on early intervention and prevention and really thinking about systems, communities and relationships. It's about how we can all come together to be human, to be better humans.
Y neges dwi'n mynd i fod yn siarad amdano fo yn yng nghyflwyniad heddiw yma ydy yr angen i ymyrryd yn gynt fel system pan da ni'n gweld problemau, bod ni'n gallu ymyrryd yn gynt a peidio gadael i problemau fynd yn waeth. A'r ail beth dwi'n meddwl ydy wneud yn siŵr bod ni'n cael llais teuluoedd a phlant a bobl ifanc yn gwaith ni. Felly pan da ni'n datblygu adnoddau newydd, bod ni'n gwneud yn siŵr bod nhw'n rhai sydd yn addas ar gyfer pobl ac yn effeithiol.
So I was here at the conference today to talk about the NEST framework. The NEST framework aims to bring about a whole system approach to mental health and wellbeing support for babies, children and young people. So it's really about getting education, social care, health and third sector to work together to provide support that wraps around the individual.
So for me, three key messages probably. That this is a really important agenda in terms of improving the mental and emotional well-being of children. The fact that this is only going to be achieved if we work in partnership, it's about system approaches. And thirdly, the importance of putting children's and their parents' voices at the centre of how we develop our approaches to improving mental and emotional well-being.
I really feel like today's been a real interesting event where you see the connections across different organisations coming together and how kind of the values that align across people working in Wales in different ways, but how that's all kind of coming together to really support young people, babies and children.
It's been an absolutely fantastic event. I'm thoroughly enjoying it and there's opportunities to meet others. I think if we can have more of these opportunities to come together, we'll be able to do some really fantastic things and make real difference.
I think the value of bringing people together for the conference is firstly that opportunity for people to share ideas, and we've had some really brilliant discussions both about the presentations but between people. The second is that chance to explore about how do we make a difference and how do we make change happen. And thirdly is potentially the chance to form some alliances to actually make something happen.
Y geiriau swn i'n defnyddio i ddisgrifio cynhadledd heddiw yma ydy egniol, brwdfrydedd ac dyfalbarhad.
So if I could describe this event in 3 words, I think it would be connected, informed and friendly.